Welcome. In today's video, we're going to cover something that many people overlook, but is incredibly important if you want your apps to run smoothly in the background. We're talking about how to make sure the permissions for your apps stay active, even if you don't use them often. This is an easy fix that can save you from unexpected issues like missed notifications, background restrictions, or limited functionality. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the settings on your phone. This is where all the behind-the-scenes adjustments happen, and it's where we'll find the option to keep app permissions active. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section gives you a full list of everything installed on your device. From here, you'll want to locate the specific app you're trying to manage. I'll use X app as the example, but these steps apply to any app on your phone. Once you've selected X app, you'll see several options that relate to permissions, storage, and usage. The key setting we're looking for is called Remove Permissions if app is unused. By default, many phones will automatically turn this on to save space and battery life, disabling certain permissions if the app hasn't been opened for a while. To keep everything active, simply toggle this option off. Doing so ensures that the app maintains its permissions, even if you don't launch it frequently. This means it can continue to send notifications, access what it needs, and perform in the background without restrictions. That's all it takes. Just a quick adjustment, and you'll have complete control over how your apps operate, without the frustration of permissions being silently removed. If you ever run into problems with apps not working as expected, this is one of the first settings you should check. By keeping permissions active, you ensure reliability, consistency, and a smoother overall experience. And there you have it. That's how to keep X app permissions active, even if you're not using it every day.